What do you want to eat? I don't know. Ever had that conversation? Here's why that decision feels like a mountain and why you're not just dealing with a molehill. Decision-making is a complex process, so it's hard to narrow down one culprit, especially when you factor in things that make decision-making hard even for a neuronormie. But the most likely one is the default mode network. The ADHD iOS's DMN runs in overdrive, which means you're flooded with thoughts, second guesses, and what-ifs, until every decision feels like too much. So ADHDers often say yes without thinking about something, or end up in analysis paralysis. Here's how to handle both of those. First, pause. Taking a second to say, I didn't think this through, give me a moment, is totally valid. Secondly, take steps to put a cap on that analysis and guide it, but make sure the steps match the gravity of the decision. You don't want to be putting a 3-minute timer on a decision to move across the country. Found this helpful? Like and follow.